flame. Look at that. Fuego. All right. I like this right here. Little fire gun. I keep this away from my daughter. I don't want her to see this right here. You know. Now you gotta make that good. All right. So let's see. The package I like a lot. It smells like, what is this? Alright, I'm gonna save it, but it smells like to the end. It smells good though. Damn. Oh boy. I'm about to crack one of these tonight. Just reading it, what it says, pure resin. I don't know what that means, but every time I'm smelling it, I'm visualizing. Yo, son. Damn. Don't judge me, guys. Hold on. It tastes like, now, I'm not gonna taste it, even though I just did a little bit. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna light it at the end. I think it was around $50. I think it was around $50. Now I know there's like I have bought some Nest candles before. I don't know, they're like $20, 30, kind of premium price, whatever. I don't know how these burn compared to those candles. I'm gonna say, I mean, you get 20 sticks though, so you get 20 of these. You say burn for about 5 minutes. Let me just light this up. Stop playing with y'all. Ooh. Let me know if I'm doing this right. I'm thinking back to my childhood, back in the day when they would do all this type, you know, our parents used to smoke and stuff. So I think you let it burn for a second and then you kind of blow it out. I'm not sure. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that smoke. Look at that. Yeah, okay. That's it right there. So I think it's on the higher end of like a premium product, you know, $50, 20 sticks. Now, this is I think this one stick could last. It's burning pretty slow. It's burning slow. She said, you know, you light it for about 5 minutes. Then you let it rock. A little smoky. Okay, of course it has like a more smoky smell at the moment because it's literal smoke. When you just smell it regular, it smells like, it has like a fruity, I won't say taste, like a fruity smell, fragrance to it. Now when it's smoking, you still smell that, but it's more of a, it's smoke. There you go. So yeah, you get 20 of these sticks, one package, $50. Close these up. It should last you a minute. Let me see how long this thing burns. I gotta get me one of those little holders. I'm digging it. I love it. I like it. It smells dope. It smells very good though. Does it smell like her vagina? I don't know what her vagina smells like. But if it does smell like this, it would have me tripping too. I'll be wearing some funny hats and scarves and stuff too. It is what it is. So to answer you guys' questions, how good is this incense? It's very good. I would buy more of these. I think I'm not a everyday incense burner kind of guy. This will last me a whole year. I think that's pretty it. Yeah, so on to the next product. If you guys, I'm gonna put a link in the description. If they're available, go get it. If it's not, I don't know, maybe hit me up. I'll mail you guys one. You know, I'll break it down, you know what I'm saying? Maybe $5 for a stick, I don't know. All right, peace out.